Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you an easy recipe for sahur that you can put them together quickly so you don't have to rush in the middle of the night. I'm going to show you how to make sayur bening or Indonesian clear soup. Let's get cooking. Before I start cooking, I want to tell you how important sahur is. It's the perfect time to hydrate and also nourish your body. And this recipe will give you those things. First, begin with adding the water, shallot, finger root, sugar, and salt into the pan and bring everything to boil. Finger root or Chinese ginger is a type of ginger but not very spicy. If you couldn't find it, you can replace it with regular ginger. Once it's boiling, add the corn and cook it for about 5 minutes. Add the carrot and cockles and cook it for about another 5 minutes until everything is well cooked. Cockles in this recipe is totally optional. Feel free to leave them out. Or you can add another protein like chicken, beef, fish, or even vegan meat. And lastly, after boiling, add the spinach, turn off the heat, and serve. This clear soup is usually served along with steamed rice and protein dishes for sahur since it's light and easy to eat early in the morning. Please feel free to add any vegetables available in your pantry. So happy cooking, everybody!